Hello students, I am Srimati Bharti Radikatti, your basic maths lecturer. So we have started with chapter number 13, angles and trigonometric ratios. So in your previous class, we have dealt with only few sums of the examples which are from the exercise 13.2. So in today's session, I will continue with the 1 mark questions and some more important questions from 2 marks also and 5 marks also. Okay, so let's get started. So first example from the exercise. Sec square a minus 1 into cot square of a, which is equals to 1. This is the question from prove that type of questions from the exercise 13.2, continued part of the exercise. So here this is all based on the properties of trigonometric ratios as well as some basic identities. So here we know that sec square a minus 1 can be written as tan square of a, basic identity. Apply, write down in place of sec square a minus 1 as tan square of a directly and write into cot square a as it is. Now reciprocal of cot square a is nothing but 1 by tan square a. So this numerator tan square a will get cancelled with denominator tan square of a. So you will get the answer as 1, which is the required answer. Fine. Now second one, cos square a into tan square of a plus cos square of a must be equals to 1. You should prove LHS is equals to RHS. So here in two parts cos square of a is common. So take it outside and what will remain in the bracket you write down. Again tan square of a plus 1 is nothing but sec square of a. Now in the previous example how we have converted the reciprocal, like that you convert any one part, either cos square a can be written as 1 by sec square a or sec square a can be written as 1 by cos square a. So product of these two is equals to 1. Fine. Now that is your required answer. Next one, tan a into cosec a into cos a is equals to 1. Now convert tan a, that is sin a by cos a, into cosec a can be written as 1 by sin a into cos a as it is. Now cancel the term sin a with sin a, cos a with cos a. Now nothing will remain in the RHS. So that is nothing but 1. So this is the required answer. Next one, 1 minus sin square of a into 1 plus tan square of a, which is equals to 1. Here 1 minus sin square a, use the basic identities and write the RHS part. That is 1 minus sin square a can be written as cos square of a into 1 plus tan square of a is nothing but sec square of a. So sec square of a is converted here in the next step, that is 1 by cos square of a. So numerator cos square of a will get cancelled with cos square of a, which is equals to 1. This is the required answer. Next one, last one from 1 mark. So sin square of theta into sec square of theta, which must be equals to sec square of theta minus 1. So here convert sin square of theta as 1 minus cos square of theta into sec square of theta as it is. Now multiply sec square of theta into 1 and again with the cos square of theta. Then sec square of theta in the next step can be converted into 1 upon cos square of theta. So numerator cos square of theta will get cancelled with denominator cos square of theta. Then you will remain with the answer sec square of theta minus 1, which is the required answer. Next, come to 2 marks questions. Prove that sec A minus cos A, which is equals to tan A into sin of A. So take LHS, convert sec A, that is reciprocal of sec A is 1 by cos A minus cos of A. Then take LCM. So LCM here is cos of A. Then write in the numerator 1 will remain as it is minus cos A into cos A is cos square of A, which is nothing but sin square of A. In the next step, sin square of A upon cos of A. Now, we need to get the answer as tan of A into sin of A. So, by splitting sin square of A as sin A into sin A and keep denominator cos A as it is, then sin of A upon cos of A will be equals to tan of A into sin of A as it is, which is the required answer. Next question. Prove that cos of A plus sin of A the whole square plus cos of A minus sin of A the whole square, which is equals to 2. Here we have to use the identity, basic identity from algebra, that is A plus B the whole square, also A minus B the whole square from first term and second term. Now, after using the formula and expanding, we get cos square of A plus sin square of A plus 2AB. Here A is cos A, B is sin A. So 2 into sin A into cos A plus, this is the first part, first bracket part. Then second bracket part is with minus sign. So you get cos square of A plus sin square of A minus 2 sin A into cos A. Here students, plus 2 sin A cos A will get cancelled with minus 2 sin A cos A. Then we know that sin square of A plus cos square of A is equals to 1 in the first part. Similarly in the second part, again we have the same terms. So that is again equals to 1. Now 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, which is the required answer. Next question. Prove that cosec of A minus sin of A is equals to cot of A into cos of A. Now, this is the same question as what we have done in the 14th question. Similar question only. So just try this. Cosec A can be converted into 1 upon sin A minus, keep sin A as it is after taking LHS. Then take LCM. 1 minus sin square of A is equals to cos square of A. Keep sin A as it is. This is the LCM part. Now split cos square of A as cos A into cos A. Why? Because in the RHS answer we need to get cot of A into cos of A, which is the required answer. Okay, next question. Prove that tan square of A plus sec square of B, which is equals to sec square of A plus tan square of B. Here use the identity, basic identity for these two terms by taking LHS. You can also take RHS here. Both vice versa, you will get answers as it is. Now tan square of A is nothing but sec square of A minus 1 and sec square of B is equals to 1 plus tan square of B. And here minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. You will get the required answer in the next step. Next immediately step. Now next question. 18th one, prove that 1 plus cot of A the whole square plus 1 minus cot A the whole square is equals to 2 cosec square of A. Now, use the identity, algebraic identity in this step, A plus B the whole square plus A minus B the whole square. You get 1 plus 2 into cot A plus cot square of A plus 1 minus 2 into cot A plus cot square of A. In the next step, here in the first step 2 cot A will get cancelled with minus 2 cot A. It will be remained with 1 plus 1 is 2 plus cot square of A plus cot square of A will be 2 cot square of A. Both can be added. Now 2 is common. Then in the bracket, inside the bracket you get 1 plus cot square of A. Then 1 plus cot square of A is nothing but cosec square of A. So which is the required answer. Now we'll move towards 3 marks questions. Prove that 1 plus tan A minus sec A into 1 plus cot A plus cosec of A, which must be equals to 2. Here take LHS, convert tan A in terms of sin A upon cos A. Also sec A can be written as 1 upon cos A into second bracket 1 as it is 1 plus cos A upon sin A, which is nothing but cot A, plus cosec A can be written as 1 upon sin A. Now in both the brackets you take LCM separately. So here LCM is cos A in the first bracket. Then numerator becomes cos A into 1 is cos A plus sin A minus 1. In the second bracket sin A is your LCM. Sin A into 1 is sin A plus cos A plus 1. Now in the next step, sin A cos A you remove it outside. Then here you just observe the numerator part which is common. Sin A plus cos A is common in both the sides. So again minus 1 is common. Minus 1 plus 1 is again two different terms. So it sounds like A plus B into A minus B identity, and that is nothing but A square minus B square. Yes or no? Now using that identity you just split the terms, that is cos A plus sin A is one term like A square minus 1 the square minus B square. Now since in the first bracket we have two terms, so split it using the identity again as A plus B the whole square. That is cos square of A plus sin square of A plus 2 into sin A into cos A minus 1. Okay. Now we know that sin square of A plus cos square of A is equals to 1. So write it 1 as it is plus 2 sin A into cos A and minus 1 as it is. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Now in the next step, open the bracket and write the last term as it is, that is 2 into sin A into cos A. So numerator terms and denominator terms are same, they will get cancelled. Then it will be remained with 2, which is the required answer. Next one, prove that cot A plus tan B divided by cot B plus tan A, which is equals to cot A upon cot B. Now here the first step is convert or reciprocal all the terms, numerator terms as well as the denominator terms simultaneously. That is cot A can be written as cos A upon sin A plus tan B can be converted into sin B upon cos B divided by cot B can be written as cos B upon sin B plus tan A can be converted into sin A upon cos A. Now, in the next step, you take LCM to numerator also and denominator also. Okay, so here LCM will be in the numerator sin A into cos B. Multiply the terms sin A and cos B. That will be your LCM in the numerator. Now, again cross multiply the terms, that is cos B into cos A plus sin A into sin B. So that is your first numerator part in the numerator only. Similarly, denominator also same steps. Sin B and cos A is your LCM part in the denominator. Then cross multiply. You get cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Then just observe these steps, students. So numerators numerator and denominators numerator are having same terms. So let them cancel. You just observe the steps properly. So they are same. So they will get cancelled. So you will be remained with sin A into cos B in the numerators denominator and denominators denominator. So both denominators will remain as it is. Then shift the last denominator to the numerator, that is sin B into cos A upon sin A into cos B. Now what we must get in the RHS answer? Cot of A. Angle A you must get in the numerator. So here cos A we have in the numerator and also we have sin of A. So after converting you will get it as cot A in the numerator. Also in the denominator we must get cot of B. So you will get only by shifting sin of B in the denominator. So cos B upon sin B is nothing but cot of B, which is the required answer. Next one, third one, in 3 marks questions. 1 plus cosec of A into 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cosec A into 1 minus sec A is equals to cos of A. So in the LHS we have 4 terms. So here after observing you might see the terms 1 plus cosec A and 1 minus cosec A. 1 plus cosec A and 1 minus cosec A is nothing but A plus B and A minus B. So using that identity we can reduce these 2 brackets into single bracket, that is A square minus B square, that is 1 square minus cosec square of A, and remaining 2 terms that as it is 1 plus cos A and sec A can be written as 1 minus 1 upon cos A. Now here after using the identity 1 minus cosec square of A, we get minus of cosec cot square of A. See the identity, basic identities. Cosec square of A plus 1 is cot square of A, but the term here after 1, that is minus of cosec square A. So you get minus of cot square of A. Then 1 plus cos A in the second bracket. Then in the third bracket take LCM as cos A. Then multiply cos A into 1 in the numerator minus 1. Now here write minus cot square of A as it is. Then here the second bracket and third bracket we have common terms, that it looks like A minus B and A plus B again. Use the identity A square minus B square here. You get cos square of A minus 1. So first bracket 1 plus cos A can also be written as cos A plus 1. Commutative property under addition. So cos A minus 1 we cannot change. So you can change directly cos A plus 1. So you get in the next step as cos square of A minus 1 divided by cos of A. Now the last step, cot square of A can be written as cos square of A upon sin square of A into, here see students, cos square of A minus 1 is nothing but minus sin square of A. Just go through the basic identities, divided by cos of A as it is. Now which are terms common in the numerator as well as in the denominator will get cancelled. Minus will become plus. 1 cos A will get cancelled with the denominator cos of A. So numerator will be plus cos of A is the required answer. Next one. Prove that 1 plus cot A minus cosec of A into 1 plus tan A plus sec of A, which must be equals to 2. This is exactly similar to the sum. First one we have done in the 3 marks questions. First one, same example but different terms. In place of tan A we have cot A, minus sec A we have cosec of A. And also in place of cot A in the second bracket we have tan A, and cosec A we have sec A, which is exactly similar to the first one in 3 marks questions. So can you try? So I have solved it already. You just do the first sum 2-3 times. Then again follow the same steps and solve the fourth one. For reference I have also solved. You also just try. Okay. Next one. Fifth one. Sec raised to 4A minus sec square of A is equals to tan square of A plus tan to the power 4A. Now take LHS. So what is common in the first part, first bracket? That is sec square of A into sec square of A will remain in the bracket because we have 4A, sec raised to 4A. So if you take sec square of A common, so inside you will get sec square of A minus 1. Now sec square of A is nothing but 1 plus tan square of A into, and sec square of A minus 1 is nothing but tan square of A. The same formula we have interchanged. Now again multiply tan square of A to 1 plus tan square of A. You get tan square of A plus tan raised to 4A, which is the required answer. Just only one formula, after converting you get the required answer. So for this you are going to get 3 marks. So basic identities plays very important role in this lesson specially. Next question, sixth one. Prove that sin cube of theta minus cos cube of theta, which is equals to sin of theta minus cos of theta into 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Now here in the LHS we have cube terms, that is a cube minus b cube. Using this identity, what we get in the RHS answer? You must get sin of theta minus cos of theta. So based on the RHS, you decide what formula you can take in the LHS part. So here it is, they have given clearly that we need to use a cube minus b cube identity. So its expansion is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we get sine cube of theta minus cos cube of theta can be expanded as sine of theta minus cos of theta. Just substitute their values according to the formula. You get sine theta minus cos theta into second bracket a square. Here compare a with sine theta, b with cos theta. Then you get sine square of theta, a square is sine square of theta, plus a into b is nothing but sine theta into cos theta, plus b square is nothing but cos square of theta. Now keep sine theta minus cos theta as it is. Then in the second bracket we have the identity sine square of theta plus cos square of theta, which is nothing but 1. 1 plus sine of theta into cos of theta, which is the required answer. Next question. Prove that 1 minus tan a the whole square plus 1 minus cot a the whole square, which must be equals to sec of a minus cosec of a the whole square. So here use the identity a minus b the whole square both the sides. After taking LHS, you get 1 minus 2 tan a plus tan square of a, which is the first bracket expansion, plus second bracket expansion is 1 minus 2 into cot a plus cot square of a. Okay. Now here we need to get RHS answer as sec of a and cosec of a. So to get sec of a, we need to group 1 plus tan square of a. So here after applying the formula, you get 1 plus tan square of a is nothing but sec square of a. Plus similarly group 1 plus cot square of a, and that is nothing but cosec square of a. In the next step, minus 2 is common, minus 2 is common. So inside the bracket you get sine of a upon cos of a plus cos of a upon sine of a, that is the reciprocal of tan a as well as cot of a. Now take LCM in the bracket. Keep sec square of a plus cosec square of a as it is, minus 2 inside the bracket. Sin a into cos a is your LCM. Then simply cross multiply. Sin a into sin a is sin square of a plus cos a into cos a is cos square of a. So that value is nothing but 1 in the next step. Now split denominator into two parts, that is 1 upon cos a into 1 upon sin a, so that we can convert 1 by cos a as sec a into 1 upon sin a as cosec of a, which is nothing but minus 2 sec a into cosec of a. Now it sounds like the identity a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then its reduced part is a minus b the whole square. Substitute these values in place of a as sec a and in place of b as cosec of a, which is the required RHS. Fine. Next question. Prove that sin raised to 4a minus cos raised to 4a is equals to 1 minus 2 cos square of a. So here take LHS. Sin square of a, sin raised to 4a can be written as sin square of a into raised to the power 2. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Similarly, cos raised to 4a can be written as cos square of a to the power 2 again. So it looks like the identity a square minus b square. So it is equals to a minus b into a plus b. Now, using the identity again, a minus b, here a is sin square a, b is cos square of a. So, substitute the values in the formula. We know that sin square of a plus cos square of a is equals to 1. And sin square of a, here the RHS answer must be in terms of cos square of a. So, convert sin square of a as 1 minus cos square of a. Basic identity. We are applying basic identity here, students. Now, 1 as it is minus cos square of a and minus cos square of a will be added. So, you get minus 2 cos square of a, which is the required RHS answer. Next one. Prove that sin of a plus cosec of a the whole square plus cos of a plus sec of a the whole square, which is equals to 7 plus tan square of a plus cot square of a. Now, here also we are using the identity a plus b the whole square for the first bracket and as well as for the second bracket also. Now, so after using the identity, we get sin square of a plus cos square of cosec square of a plus 2 sin a into cosec of a plus, this is first bracket, second bracket expansion is cos square of a plus sec square of a plus 2 cos a into sec of a. Now, group the terms which makes the identity, that is sin square of a plus cos square of a plus cosec square of a plus 2 sin a into cosec a can also be written as 1 by sin a plus sec square of a as it is plus 2 cos of a and also last term 1 by cos of a, that is reciprocal of sec of a. Now, sin square of a plus cos square of a is nothing but 1. 1 plus cosec square of a can be written as 1 plus cot square of a plus 2 sin a will get cancelled with sin a. So, 2 will remain as it is. Again, plus sec square of a can be written as 1 plus tan square of a plus, here cos a will get cancelled with cos a, only 2 will remain. Then count the numbers, you must get 7 here. That is here 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 will be equals to 7. That is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7 plus tan square of a plus cot square of a, which is your required RHS answer. So students, we have done so many examples in this session. So I hope you will practice this again and again and you will solve the worked examples from the textbooks also. So with few more sums, we will meet you in the next session. Thank you.